Alright, we are out here with the ARRMA Infraction, and I'm trying to see if I can do something cool with this. Tires are cold, it's early morning. Oh, already had them smoking up then. Don't know if the camera would have picked that up. Oof. There it is, smoking them up. Yeah, tires are definitely cold. Just gotta go easy on these turns. Whoa. As soon as you spin out, the tires just smoke straight up. Oh, really having trouble doing these turns and being able to maintain that drift. I am using a single 6S pack. I wonder if that... Oh, okay, seems to be a little bit better going the other way. So, yeah, okay. So I'm having a little bit of drama going left, and I do wonder. Oh, nearly lost it. Nearly lost it. We are running the standard gearing, but this thing is not very forgiving. It pulls up the tires straight away, it just smokes them up. Got to be real careful. Oh, there we go, there we go. Come on, hold, hold, hold. Oh, that was almost good. Almost good. Alright, let's go the other way. I can hold it better going this way. Yes. Ooh, almost. Nah, just gravel there. Oh, that was perfect. You really have to keep your wits about you. It whips that tail around so quick. It's so fast. It is so fast. It's spinning out way easier to the left. And it's funny because that's the way that I want to go. Whoop. And then it just counters. Mind you, I've got my AVC turned down to 30%, so AVC should be helping me out here ever so slightly. It's exhilarating to drive. It may not be that exciting to watch. I don't know how it's conveyed on camera, but it's exhilarating to drive. Yeah, it's so different. It's such a different machine, such a different beast. So close to the curb then. It is so cool to drive, even though it is slightly frustrating at the moment, at times. Just having this much power is... Whoop! Don't know what was happening then. Kind of hard to keep up. I'm hoping I'm getting most of this in shot. But yeah, it just smokes up the tyres so quickly. And I was watching my speed run when I did the 84.5 mile an hour pass with the high-speed pinion gear. And I think it was actually, as I was like accelerating to full speed, it spun up the tyres, and you can actually see as I'm accelerating, the tyres are smoking up right at the beginning. Quite unique. And there you go, look, it just smokes them up so easy. Like, what's this? I don't even have to try. There you go, it's smoking them up. That is nuts. That is crazy. So much power. I mean, I said in the unboxing that, you know, it would have been nice to have a different power system, something a bit bigger, because this is a bigger car. But quite honestly, I mean, do you really need it? I suppose if you want to maybe go 100 mile an hour, go faster, I could understand, but this system is more than capable of getting this thing up to speed. That's too much fun. I can understand now why some of the other guys that have got these early on have already burnt out tyres, because it's just too fun. It is just too much fun. Whoops, spun out. Alright, I think that's enough. Oh man, there we go. There's our first run with the Infraction. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.